Welcome to Davis Island here in downtown Tampa. Very nice place to live and hang out if you can afford it. Nice place to play. I believe there is a yacht or sail club over there. Watch the sunset.
Ooh, look, there's fish. Oh, we actually caught some pretty good fish here before,
yeah, we've gone fishing here before. It's cold.
Yeah, it's chilly down by the water, isn't it?
Sheesh.
It got cool out of nowhere.
Close to the sailing yacht club on Davis Island. As you can see, the picturesque sunset. And I'm pretty sure this is a good spot to watch the annual air show that they do. You can go out on a boat and
When's the air show?
couldn't tell you.
I'll have to look that up.
Sometime. One time we got stranded on a broken down boat and Smash was supposed to